I have an elderly mother, 87, and every time we question and want to set up a will, she throws up a block wall. Do you have any tips about going about that and trying to prepare her to where she wants to accept?
Well, Jay, we can't make your mom do a will, but I can tell you what happens if your mom does not have a will, and that is Florida statutes are going to write a will for her. Now, Jay, is your mom a single or widowed woman?
She's widowed, and really the only, shall we say, property is paid for a house in Winter Park, and it's valued about $350,000. You know, then there's basic jewelry.
All right. So, Jay, is your mom a single or widowed person?
Yes, she's a widow.
And how many children did she have?
4 total.
And are they all alive?
Yes, they are, Tom.
So, Jay, if your mom dies without a will, her assets, including her home that you just mentioned, are going to go equally to her 4 kids. So if that's your mom's plan, that when she dies, everything goes equally to the 4 kids, well, hey, it's done. You know, she doesn't need a will to accomplish that goal. If she said, you know what, I got a son named Bill, and I don't want Bill to get anything, well, then maybe you can tell her, look, Mom, if you don't do anything, Bill's in for 25%. If you want to cut Bill out, then you're going to have a will to do that.
Right. Now, do you guys ever do visits to the home?
Yeah, we do house calls, Jay, so if that would make your mom more comfortable, we would be happy to visit her home for her, and we do that for other clients as well. Jay, you're welcome to call our office next week, and we'd be happy to talk to you about that. You call the Olsen Law Group in Orlando. You ask for me, Attorney Tom Olsen. That office phone number is 407-423-5561.